Ever wondered what powers the most cutting-edge technologies we use every single day? From lightning-fast financial systems to the immersive worlds of AAA gaming, and even the operating systems that run our computers, there's a silent workhorse behind it all. In a world constantly buzzing with new programming languages and frameworks, a question often arises. Is the veteran language C++ still relevant in 2025? Is it worth your time to learn or master? The answer might surprise you. Far from being a relic of the past, C++ is not just surviving, it's thriving. And in this video, we'll reveal the top reasons why C++ remains your secret weapon in the tech landscape of 2025. Let's dive in. C++ has been around for over 4 decades, a testament to its enduring power and adaptability. Born from the C language, it introduced object-oriented programming concepts and quickly became a cornerstone of the software development world. Think about it. For years, C++ has been the go-to language for performance-critical applications. Its reputation for speed, efficiency, and unparalleled control over system resources isn't just historical. It's a fundamental reason why it continues to be so vital today. In 2025, these characteristics are more important than ever as technology demands increasingly faster and more efficient solutions. So, what makes C++ so resilient? Let's break down the top reasons why mastering C++ in 2025 gives you a significant edge. First and foremost, performance and efficiency. In industries where every millisecond counts, C++ reigns supreme. Unlike interpreted languages or those with garbage collection, C++ allows for fine-grained control over memory management and CPU usage. This makes it the preferred choice for real-time systems like embedded software in cars and airplanes, high-frequency trading platforms where split-second decisions mean millions, and the demanding world of game engines like Unreal Engine and Unity. C++ is the backbone of numerous critical industries. Think about the financial sector. Stock exchanges and trading algorithms rely heavily on C++ for their speed and reliability. The gaming industry wouldn't be the same without it, powering the most visually stunning and complex games. Even the Internet of Things, IoT devices, cybersecurity tools, and core components of operating systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS, as well as major web browsers like Chrome and Firefox, are built using C++. For developers needing direct access to memory and hardware, C++ offers unparalleled control. This is crucial for systems programming, driver development, and firmware engineering. If you want to get down to the metal and optimize every aspect of your software, C++ is your language. One common misconception is that C++ is an old and clunky language. However, modern C++ has evolved significantly. With the introduction of standards like C++11 and beyond, the language has become safer and more expressive. Features like smart pointers help prevent memory leaks. Built-in multithreading support simplifies parallel programming, and functional programming features enhance code readability and maintainability. Despite the rise of newer languages, C++ developers remain in high demand. Companies across various sectors continue to seek professionals with deep expertise in C++. This isn't just about maintaining legacy code. It's also driven by the need for high-performance applications in emerging fields like AI and machine learning. Mastering C++ provides excellent career opportunities and long-term job security. C++ plays a crucial role in the modern tech ecosystem due to its seamless interoperability with other languages. Many popular machine learning and AI libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch have core components written in C++ for performance reasons, even though they offer user-friendly Python interfaces. This makes C++ a vital language for building hybrid applications. Learning C++ provides a strong foundation for understanding other programming languages. Its emphasis on memory management and low-level details gives you a deeper understanding of how software works. This knowledge can make it easier to pick up other languages like Java and C, as many fundamental concepts are shared. Despite its age, C++ boasts a large and active community. This means you'll find plenty of resources, tutorials, libraries, and support when you're learning or working on C++ projects. From online forums to dedicated organizations, the C++ community is vibrant and helpful. So there you have it. In 2025, C++ is far from being outdated. Its unmatched performance, its role in powering critical industries, its deep hardware control, its modern evolution, the high demand for developers, its interoperability, its foundational value, and its strong community all contribute to its continued relevance and importance. Whether you're a seasoned developer looking to expand your skill set or someone just starting your programming journey, mastering C++ in 2025 is a strategic move that can open doors to exciting opportunities in some of the most innovative and demanding fields of technology. What are your thoughts on C++ in 2025? Are you planning to learn it? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Stallions Technologies for more insights into the world of tech.